buy a hair conditioner so I can condition the hair. I was like, what? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a review about this wig I'm actually wearing. But before I get into the video, I want to make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be leaving all the links to my socials down below in the description down below, so you guys can connect with me on there. Okay, so let's get into the video. So this post is not sponsored. I use my own money to buy this hair, so I'm sorry. I'm going to give you guys an honest review about this hair. Okay, so yeah. So details about this hair. This hair, I actually bought it back in February, so I've actually worn it for like 7 months. And guys, when I tell you I've rocked this hair, I've rocked this wig, I'm not gonna lie, like that money, I've squeezed that money out of this wig. I swear, because that's the only wig I've been wearing. Like, it's true that in June I did cut my hair short, and I was wearing my hair short for like a while, but I was still interchanging between wearing my short hair and this wig. So I really want this wig, really. So this wig came wait, hold on, let me check. This was a 22-inch, and it didn't come like this. Obviously, I had to place it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, I do have a video about this, and I'll leave the link below so you guys can check it out if you guys are interested in achieving this highlight look, all that. This actually came in like a dark black color, yeah, and it was 180% density, and it was straight. Also, this was actually a transparent wig, and it was kind of more expensive like than their regular wigs. So this was actually $389. Yeah, $389, and the cap was a small. If I had to rate this hair on a scale of 10, I'll probably give it like a 7.58 on 10. And I feel like it's really good for the price, honestly. For $200 and something, like, to get a 7.58, I feel like it's really good. So the reason why I'm not giving it a 10 is because I feel like with time, I feel like because I've worn it too much, the frontal, so when I'm trying to lay it doesn't lay anymore, no matter how much, well, not no matter how much glue, but like when I put like glue, I have to pack so much glue before it lays. And then at a certain point, I feel like even when I go out, the lace doesn't lay flat anymore. I don't know if it's because I've worn it too much that the lace is acting like that. I know sometimes people say like with wigs the lace will get bald and things like that. That's the only thing I don't like about this hair. And it sheds, but not overly shed. Okay, it sheds a little bit. It's not like when I'm combing their hair or when I'm walking, the hair is all over the house or anything like that. It sheds like normally hair will shed, but it doesn't shed in a way that is like, oh my god, it's extreme. So that's why I'm not rating it a 10. And then the pros about this hair, why I love this hair, is because, oh my god, it's so soft. Like, the hair is just so soft, and it's really true to length. This is a 22-inch. Now, because I have it cream, but when I have it straight, it looks like a 24-inch. Okay, yeah, that's how it looks like. So when I got this the first time, it wasn't straight. And also I forgot to mention, so when I received the hair, this is how it came in this box, and it came with 2 wig caps, it came with a bag, and it came with 2 extra combs. So that's how I got it. So when I got it, it was really straight, it was so long, and it was full, or like 180% density. It was really full. I was like, oh my god, this hair is so nice. And it's not actually the first time I'm buying from Westkiss. I previously bought from them last year. So I got a curly wig from them last year, and I loved it so much. That's even the reason why I decided to buy a straight hair from them, because I really liked it. And I got the curly hair in I believe 24. And you guys know how when you buy curly hair, it's like a size, a length 24 will look 18, but with Westkiss, no, it's really 24, and then it's so full. And I got 150% density for that week, and it was so full. So that's why I decided to buy this again, and I'm really impressed. I'm loving it. Like, when I tell you guys, like, I've rocked this hair from black to now what I'm wearing right now. Like, so a couple points I wanted to mention too was that this hair takes curls really well. So when I used to curl it, I would stay with my curls for like a week, and yeah, for like a week, and it doesn't go down. So, and it straightens really well, even my creams on all that. This hair, it's really amazing. And when I say amazing, it's not like it's a premium quality hair or anything. So I'm paying $300 and something, so I'm not expecting to have Beyonce's hair on my head or Nicki Minaj's hair on my head. Okay, I'm just saying that for like the price I paid, I feel like it's good quality for this. And honestly guys, I've tried so many like wig companies. I've tried them all. Like, I've tried them, okay, and then in my opinion, for the price I'm paying for this, like, they really give me the quality, okay. Like, I remember back in, like, I think that was in 2019, 3 years ago, I think, I bought this wig from this hair company. I don't remember the wig company. Honestly, I feel like if at that time I was doing YouTube, I should have done a video about this, because I ordered the wig and it costed me almost $500, because I bought a 24-inch. It was a straight hair, so lace frontal and everything. So once I got the hair, right, oh my god, that was the worst experience ever. The hair was shedding. Like, the moment I ran my finger through it, hair was coming out. I was like, no, you got to be kidding me. What? Let me tell you, I didn't even do anything. I just ran my fingers through it, and then the hair was coming out like crazy. I was like, no, this is unacceptable. So I did email customer service, and they told me, I remember they told me that, you know, because what happened was that I don't know if I already styled the hair. I don't think I did, because once I emailed them, they said they can't take the hair back, and they will send me, if I want, they can send me like $5 through PayPal, so I can buy a hair conditioner so I can condition the hair. I was like, what? What is this? Yeah, they were like, I was going back and forth. I was like, what is this? I can't spend close to $500 for hair like this. They said they can't take it back, but they can send me hair conditioner. So, and I was so mad, but I still wore the wig. Like, when people saw the wig on picture, they were like, oh my god, this is so pretty. But girl, sis, I was suffering, because my hair, my room was full of hair everywhere. Like, I'm working, hair is shedding. I'm like, nah. So for me, I feel like, so I've been there, I've been in that dark space, so I know, like, for the price of this hair, it's actually really good. And I'm not telling anyone to go buy this hair or not buy this hair. I'm just giving my honest review about this, and like my experience with other wig companies, with other wigs. So I feel like for me, this is actually really a good hair. Okay, so lace wise, other than what I mentioned before, the lace is really good. It's a transparent lace. So what I did was I did my bar cap, and I put some foundation, and I installed the wig. When I got the wig initially, it was perfect. The lace was perfect. But right now, I feel like now I have to put a lot of glue in order for it to like really lay down. So, but other than that, the lace is really good. I love it. The hair is really soft. And like, I don't know, one thing is, usually, like, I have a thing with like wigs or hair, so when you wear them, and then sometimes it becomes too especially when you're sweating, it becomes too thick or tangled around here. I don't know why around here, but with this hair I haven't had anything like that. It doesn't even tangle, like, it doesn't. Honestly, the only thing, like I said, it sheds a little bit, and that's fine. That's like, I feel like that's normal. Okay, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. So if you're looking to buy a wig, or you're just looking for like a hair review on Westkiss hair, I hope you guys found this helpful. Like I said, it was my honest review about this hair, and like I said, there are pros and cons to this, you know, but overall for the price, I feel like you can get better. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, hope you click on the like button, subscribe as well. Yeah, subscribe, it's free. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next